So I'm at Sounds Good Mobile, Flagstaff, Arizona, where I bought my Sony stereo that some of you seem to like. And they're putting in, almost finished, with a Viper alarm. And apparently I really screwed up the wiring on the radio. So I would say have it professionally done. Don't do what I did. And I'll show you all the details once they're finished. I cannot tell you how happy I am to be home. So here's the model 3107 V as in Victor, M as in Mike, one-way security system. Two-way means when you chirp the alarm on or off, it sends back to your fob some signal that, okay, we received it, but I'm sorry, I arm and disarm my vehicle 10 feet away. They've got this hooked up to the front of the hood on the Jeep. So if it's armed and somebody takes two little brackets off and opens it, because it doesn't have a lock, then the alarm goes off. They also, down here, did the wiring, put in the automated actuator. So the alarm now locks and unlocks my doors. And they corrected my wiring. Now look at, out of these like 11 to 14 wires, I did all but 2 correct. This is what allows the interface between the radio, that's not stock, to the vehicle. It allows it to have the little goodies here on the stereo work, or at least most of them. I really don't care if they all work. If I get a call on the road, I doubt I'm going to hit this phone to answer it. But they did tell me, not only did I have these mounting brackets on backwards, they say left and right. What does that mean? Looking at it left? Or from the behind looking at it left? And they did say I needed to cut this piece off here. They said a lot of people just cut, or you could cut here and go down. Well, since I can't find my little saw, we're going to see how much cutting I can do on just this bracket, still leaving this as a support. I did get what was missing initially, which is this is the Jeep's antenna, and here is the aftermarket antenna adapter, and this goes to the back of the radio. And again, I did all but 3 of these correct. And here's the power. That's gonna connect all this to the radio. USB, which is going to make this USB outlet that I popped off the cap and put it in. It does have, I doubt I'll even be able to get it over. Anyway, it's got two USB inserts and only one of them works. That's the reason for only one right there. And I've got to install the mic, which I'm going to mount up here on the dash, clean it off, mount it, and then just run the wires to the back here into the radio. So I'm not getting too technical with you guys because I'm not here to teach you about how to install the Jeep stereo. I'm just letting you know what I'm doing, and I'll let you know if I run into any problems along the way. I'm just happy to be at camp and just happy to be out again, and let's get going. Okay, I cut, and now using a pair of pliers here to try and pull off these tabs to get it a clean break. Okay, hopefully that'll do. Now we just get the end plugs, connect it to the back of the radio, and this is a USB. We'll connect it to the USB. Okay, connected everything, pushed everything back. See, I don't think you needed to cut this off. I mounted it before with that on, but whatever, I'm just following their directions. Well, let's start up the car, see what happens. Yeah, Ninja's keeping guard. What you see, Ninja? What you see? Is it a cow? Is it a deer? So I didn't have the main power source connected. Got iPhone's CarPlay on. Sorry, I turned off my mic. And because I don't have wireless CarPlay. I should have got that. You know, trying to be cheap. So I got to have the USB plug-in to the iPhone. So that's working. I'd kind of be happy if this was working. I'm going to keep messing with it. Okay, Maps is working. Let's check out the backup camera. I'll show you the backup camera in the back. And you can see it's not exactly centered. So I'm going to have to learn how to live with this. It's kind of cool. You don't have to be in reverse with the car running just to hit the backup camera. So thanks for watching. Please smash that thumbs up button. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe so you get alerts anytime I post a new video, which is now several times a week. Got a lot of good content coming. Go out there, be positive, be nice, and be active.